Hi everyone and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale 2002 Ford Thunderbird made by Maisto that I got off of eBay for around $40. Gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging box first. And you'll see that actually the entire model box was wrapped in bubble wrap, which I thought was really good, but it was also kind of a pain to take off, as you'll see once this is actually fully out of the box. And there it is. Once I got it out of the bubble wrap, I noticed that it had a nice Ford badge on top. A lot of Maisto's boxes, they just had like the basic kind of special edition and no badge, but this box was a little bit different in that sense. Really nice model. And there's that Ford badge kind of with a closer view there. I like how on these older boxes on the back there's actually another window to actually see the model. And on the bottom it has pretty much your standard Maisto fine print and stuff that you'd see on the older boxes. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box next. I already have the 2003 Thunderbird made by Beanstalk Group, but I really like this generation Thunderbird, so I figured I would get the Maisto version too, because I really like this black version. And there it is. Alright, got it out of the box. Just got to unscrew it from the base and take off these shipping straps here. You'll actually notice that the mirror is missing on the driver's side. I actually ended up finding that later inside the box. There it is with everything open, and once I got the mirror back on. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this. Thanks for watching.